Alrighty, this evening folks, what we're going to be doing, we're going to be fermenting some tomatoes. What you need to have filtered water, spring water, distilled water, just as long as it doesn't have chlorine and stuff like that in it. And basically what you do, it's 1 tablespoon of salt for every pound of tomatoes. We're going to put a little bit of garlic down in ours, and some people, they'll put, like, say, basil leaves and stuff. That's real pretty in them. But from what I've seen people talk about, you can have fresh tomatoes all the way up around Christmas, going into the next year even, she said. But we're going to give it a try. We've never tried it before, and we'll see how it does. Alrighty. Alright. Now, we're just going to start putting in some tomatoes. Tell you what, I better go ahead and stir that up just a little bit. And then, what we'll be doing, this is just a pickle jar here. You don't want to seal it up real tight. And what you'll do, if you've got a glass weight, you can use that, or you just want your tomatoes to be able to stay under the water. So, stir this up. And then you start placing your tomatoes in there. Just drop in our garlic. Big tomato there is going to take up a little space there. We'll let you know how this turns out. We've never tried it before. That one big tomato is messing things up down the bottom. And from what I've read, you can take, well, the old timers, old people used to, and there's still people that has them, the big round crocks. This is basically what they would do with their different vegetables. You just want to make sure your tomatoes stay under the water. Push them down a little bit there. Alrighty, now what we're going to do is just take some more of our water here, and then instead of using a glass weight, You can take you a little Ziploc bag, put you some water in it. Make a mess, Doug. That there. Use that instead of the glass weight. Clean up the mess before the wife comes in here and sees it. Shh. It's just a little bit of water, sugar. And then you set that on there. Tighten it just a little bit. That's just to keep gnats and stuff from flying in it. You don't want to seal it up at least for 3 weeks. Alrighty, folks. We'll let you know how it turns out. If you've already tried this, let us know how you liked it. And y'all have a blessed day. Thank you for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Think your friends might like some of this stuff? Share it with them, let them know. Y'all have a blessed day. Thank you.